Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you know, the entire world suffering with a critical situation that coronavirus, and I would like to suggest you please stay at home and be safe and save our lives and also others' lives. So guys, in this video, I will inform you a recent job openings, a urgent job vacancies from Oman. I hope you all know that Oman is a Gulf country. So guys, you can keep this information with you after finishing the lockdown. Of course, you can apply for the job and you can attend the interview. So, guys, for the time you can't attend an interview and you can't apply, but if you keep this information with you after finishing the lockdown and after the normalization of situations, you can apply for this job. So, let me inform you the recent job openings from Oman, and if this job is suitable for you, collect these informations and apply after finishing the lockdown. So guys, let's discuss. The first job is substation electrical technicians required in Oman. Oman is a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. I already repeated it 2 times. Urgent vacancies for substation electrical technicians for a leading company in Oman. Location Salah, Sultanate of Oman. Designation substation electrical technicians. Number of vacancies 10. Salary range will be starts from 21,000 Indian rupees onwards. Gender male candidate only can be applied. Age limit should be 21 to 35. Job category electrical engineering technicians. Preferred job maintenance technician, customer inspections technicians. Educational requirements, you should have electrical engineering degree to apply for this job. Other benefits like accommodations, annual leave, food allowance, overtime allowance, everything will be provided by the company as per the labor law. So guys, here you read some informations like any other special requirements. Duties and responsibilities, proven experience as electrical substation technicians, understanding of electrical control drawings and varying interconnect circuits and problem solving skills to ensure that electrical maintenance works and installations and are carried out in compliance with the applicable regulations. To ensure all breakdown maintenance and preventive maintenance of the following assets, this includes 33 kV and 11 kV switch gear of various types, oil, vacuum, SF6, GIS of both indoor and outdoor type, power transformers 1 MVA to 3 1.5 MVA. So guys, this is all about the responsibilities to apply for this job. If you are really interested to apply for this job and if you have the proper qualifications and relevant experience and you have the capability to maintain this job as per the mentioned by the employer, don't be late. Apply by sending your updated CV with all documents to the given official email ID. Of course, the situation will be normalized after few days. Then you can get a notifications to attend the interview. After you getting success from the interview, of course, you can get this job. So let's move to the next job. Technician required in Oman. Urgent vacancies for diploma in mechanical automobile industry technicians for Oman. Locations will be Oman. Designations technicians, number of vacancies 10. Salary range will be 22,000 Indian rupees to 24,000 Indian rupees. Gender male candidate only can be applied. Age limit should be 21 to 30. Job category mechanical engineering technicians. Preferred job automotive engineering. You should have the degree as a automotive engineer. Educational requirements also mechanical engineering and you should have the relevant experience. The rest benefits, accommodations, air ticket, food allowance, medical insurance, everything will be provided as per the labor law of Oman. Any other special requirements, diploma mechanical engineering with 2 years experience in the automobile industry are eligible for the interview. Interested candidates send your resume to the given official email ID. So guys, if you have the proper qualifications as per mentioned by the employer as a diploma mechanical engineer and if you have the 2 years of relevant experience in automobile industry, don't be late, apply as soon as possible. Of course you will get a chance to attend the interview. So let's go to the next job. Transmission system analysis engineer required in Oman. Urgent vacancies for transmission system analysis engineer in Oman. Location Sultanate of Oman. Designations transmission systems analysis engineer. Number of vacancies 5. Salary is hiding, it's not declared. Gender male candidate only can be applied. The age limit should be 25 to 30. Job category electrical engineer. Preferred jobs electrical engineering technicians, maintenance technician electrical. Educational requirements, electrical engineering, other benefits like accommodation, annual leave, food, everything will be provided by the company. And any other special requirements like the job descriptions as follows: to improve transmissions operations management in LDC, especially in areas of system analysis, contingency planning, and transmission security compliance. Not able to utilize advanced EMS features like load flow, short circuit, DTS, optimal power flow with available staff. This is a KPI for LDC. The number of contingency reports each year is increasing and existing staff are unable to cope up with the work requirements. Quality needs improvement. KPI reporting as for AER, PCB requirements and corporate KPIs. So guys, this is all about the job responsibilities. Very simple. If you should have the proper qualifications as an electrical engineer, and if you have the relevant experience in this field as per mentioned by the employer, of course you can apply for this job by forwarding your updated CV to the given official email ID. Before you apply, please listen very carefully. For this job you should have minimum 8 to 10 years of work experience on power system operations and dispatch. Please keep in mind, this is a very high professional and high skill jobs. You should have the proper qualifications with minimum 8 to 10 years of experience. Like somebody returns from God with this same experience, the candidates only can be applied, and of course they will get a job in this field. Let's move the next job, cable jointer repair in Oman. The job is cable jointer, location Salah Sultan of Oman, designations cable jointer, number of vacancies 20. Salary range will be 40,000 to 46,000. Gender male can only apply. Age limit should be 25 to 35. Job category cable jointer. Preferred jobs ITI NSC. That means please keep in mind, to apply for this job you should have the qualifications such as ITI in NSC field. Educational requirements wireman. Other benefits, free accommodations and transportation, annual leave will be provided by the company. Any other special requirements like technician certificate in electrical trade, a validly approved license from DCRP and PDO, minimum 5 years of hand-on experience in all types of LP and ST cable terminations and joints up to 33 kV. So guys, please keep in mind, this is all about the responsibility in this job. So if you are really interested, if you have the proper qualifications and experience as per mentioned by the employer, of course you can apply by forwarding your updated CV to given official email ID. All informations you are watching here is available also in the descriptions. You can collect these informations from the descriptions and you can apply as soon as possible. And as I already told you, after getting some normal situations to this world, of course everything will be wrong and you can apply, you can attend the interview and you can get a job as per your dream. So guys, let me tell you again what is the job openings from Oman. Let me remind you again, this is a recent job openings from Oman. The first job is substation electrical technician. Second job is a technician required in Oman in the mechanical field. Next job, transmission system analysis engineer required. Next job, cable jointer. So guys, listen very carefully. This is a recent job openings, and I told you you can apply after getting normal situations to this world. And of course, you can attend the interview and you can fulfill your dream to get a job in our country. So, among these four jobs, which job is suitable for you? Which is your professionals and which is matching with your experience and qualifications? You can apply for this job. So I'm telling you again and again, don't be worried, don't be confused, don't be think negative. All informations please keep with you, and after getting finishing from lockdown, you can apply by forwarding your updated CV and all documents to the given official email ID, and you can apply for this job. Don't be negative, don't be confused, never listen negative things to anybody. Please collect these informations and apply if you are really interested to apply for a job in the country. So guys, all informations you are watching here I already provided in the descriptions. Please go to the descriptions and collect all informations and please keep with you and apply when the normal situations will come to this world. So guys, again I would like to tell you, please stay in home and be safe and save your lives and also save others' life with staying at home. So guys, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video till the end, and I would like to request you again, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.